all homemade, all home recipes. This is how we started when we came to the UK.
Do you want to try the spicy one? We have one open. We can give it like a little spoon.
Yes, please.
Yeah.
Go on then.
Why not? Let's give it a try.
So you've been open how long? Since
April the 3rd.
April the 3rd. April the 3rd. We've got Jesus protecting us.
So here we go, guys. So this is a mix of apples and Scotch bonnet chilies.
Apples and pears.
I don't know what Scotch bonnet is. What Scoville level is that?
That batch specifically is not that spicy.
Normally, like if you go to a supermarket and you buy a hot
It's
sauce,
not that too bad, is
yeah,
it?
it's not too bad.
Because the
It's been watered down, hasn't it?
Yeah, well, when you go to like a supermarket, they just flood it with chili, and then like you can taste nothing; it's just burnt. But this is like the right balance of like you've
Right
got the
texture,
heat,
isn't it?
but you've got the flavour too. I can take those for you.
Thank you.
the kick now. The Scotch bonnet's
It's proper watered down, isn't it?
well.
Thank
at
you.
least if I
No
want hot
worries.
ones, I can put you on.
Hiya.
Hi, you okay?
Yes, thank you.
Right, it's a really weird question, but she had last time she come a green sauce, and she's wondering what it was.
It was this.
They're my burritos, baby.
Yeah, burrito and tacos.
So sometimes we do something.
So guys, we got the
So the burritos from Chihuahua, from
Chihuahua,
the north,
yeah.
and the tacos
South.
are from the
south.
center.
Centre,
No,
yeah.
this is from the north.
From the north.
Yeah,
that's
Chihuahua.
fine,
And the tacos are called tacos de alambre.
yeah. Tacos Alhambra.
It's this sauce here you have.
So thank you.
There you go.
We've got a bit of Mexico there. Mexico City. In Stoke-on-Trent. No one. Leek.
Is that sauce on the meal?
So yeah. And we got our drinks.
This is guava. This is very popular in Mexico.
Yes.
It's like very authentic to drink it with tacos.
Yeah.
So, like,
I've gone for that and that. Kept it proper traditional.
yeah, proper tradition actually, yes.
And Jordan did a brand with them in 2012. He did a whole line of trainers with them. In all different colours.
Well, yeah, we have different flavors, and also we're trying to get tamarind, which is my favorite flavor. But the ingredient, there's one ingredient in that recipe that is still not allowed in the UK. So the company in Mexico, they're trying to change a little bit the recipe so it can fit in the market in the UK. But yeah, it will come eventually. That will be the tamarind. Tamarind is a nice fruit. It's like tangy fruit. It's very nice. Oh, Mexico, we love it. We love it. And this is the like Mexican cola. Mexican cola is famous to be like the best cola in the world because it's sweet. Instead of like sugar, we use cane sugar.
Candy sugar,
Yeah, yeah. And we have loads of cane sugar, so it's different.
Different.
It's not that strong. The sweetness is not bad, but it's different. It's nice.
Hope you enjoy.
You guys enjoy
Thank
it.
you.
Thank you.
It says super good on there.
What?
It says super good.
Super good, yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Cheers, guys. Enjoy.
We're in Leek, Staffordshire. And this is that. Look, show them the. I'm having the burrito, baby. Like, burrito. And do you know what we're missing? Thumbnail as well, but I tried to get it afterwards. And we got crisps in there. Crisps, sauce. I'll show them the burrito, yeah? Show them the burrito. Show them the burrito. All packed and full. All packed. Coleslaw. Then we got the hot sauce. So we have some crisps with the hot sauce. Homemade. Homemade. Came from Mexico, yeah? It's not too hot. Capo, the sauce isn't too hot. I was expecting to burn my mouth off. I also like to drink Mexican cola. Natural flavour. There's the menu, show the menu. On the back. I'll finish these, then we get into the main event, yeah?
Yeah, your thumbnail before.
It's big, yeah.
Yeah, your thumbnail. Pause it. Normal. Normal.
Back again. It's on.
Yeah.
So we're back again. We're going for the main event now. We're going for the main burrito. There it is, guys. Fully packed. Well packed in.
I've gone traditional, haven't I?
Very nice. It's all
Like Oasis. Isn't it?
nice and creamy. It's not a mess, is it? We don't like mess. That's very clean. That pirate's very clean. Nice textures, nice flavours. It's definitely worth, if you're ever in this area, make sure you pop down. Very nice. Very nice. Look at the flavour inside, look. They're all... I'm going to show me a drink as well. Got a bit of this. Natural cola. Yeah, it's like an ice pop. Like an ice pop.
This is more like an Oasis. Closest to like an Oasis. Or is it J2O?
It's a bit more flatter though, isn't it? If you know what I mean. Bit flat, more flat. More flat, guys, and not as much fizz. That's why it's natural, yeah? Very nice. I can't eat my M&M.
So guys,
Yeah, I've got been in my own day, haven't I just waffled that.
so don't forget to give this video a like, share, comment, subscribe.